Home and Away, as you probably can tell, is massive over here in Ireland. There's people that I know that go home and watch the show on their lunch break. They dedicate their lunch break to watch you and everyone else. So why do you think it's done so well for itself in Ireland?
Firstly, thank you to those people for keeping us off the street. Pardon me, for keeping us off the street for all these years. We really appreciate your support.
Did the decision to leave Geordie Shore have anything to do with Fish Dan and everything that's going on there?
What, you mean my fiancé?
Oh! Yes, I was going to get there as well. But there's no ring on. Show us the fingers. No,
just
no ring there.
I'm afraid. No. Dan will forever be the love of my life, I think.
Oh.
I think he must be the love of most women's lives.
Yeah,
I think
he's
that's
not bad,
pretty
he?
safe to say.
And you're coming to the real capital of Ireland. You're coming to Cork on the 18th of June for Live at the Marquee. It's going to be your first time in Cork. I know that for sure anyway. How excited and pumped are you about that?
Stoked to be dope.
Are you from Cork?
I am indeed, yeah.
I thought because they were telling us earlier that the accent's a bit different and it's a bit more, and I was thinking, oh, your accent's a bit different to everyone we've met today, and that's the Cork accent.
How do you feel then about the likes of Paris Hilton, who's the number one DJ at the moment? Does that really annoy you when you hear stuff like that? Because we've seen pictures of her and she's kind of doing this, and there's a guy next to her and he's fiddling on the buttons for her, and it just looks mad.
Yeah, it's kind of a bit of a joke, really.
Yeah, for me it doesn't anger me or anything. There is a scene for that obviously out there that I know I never would go to any clubs like that anyway.
Right. You see a woman out tonight now in Cork, okay? She glides past you, she's beautiful, and you're like, I have to get her. What do you go over and say to her? Oh, you've already got her. But if
I
she
wouldn't go over
was,
and say to her. I know you just say hello and that. I don't do anything out of the ordinary.
and there's obviously loads of things that you're very famous for in Geordie Shore, like saying that you're Zeus.
I do like to think.
Will you be saying that to some of us Cork girls tonight?
No, I wouldn't say that to a girl. That's a bit. That's just more for the TV.
Now you decided to leave Home and Away, and girls all over Ireland are still crying about this, being honest. But was that a decision that you made lightly, or did it take you a while to make that decision?
They just didn't pay me enough money. No, I love that job, but everyone sort of has a contract that comes to an end eventually, and I think Brax had packed about enough in his lifetime to fill about five lifetimes, so it was the right time to go.
Jessie Ware, you're very welcome to Cork.
Oh, thanks. I like that one. I like that introduction. It's not welcome to Cork, it's you're very welcome to Cork. I love that.
Oh, brilliant.
Is that how you say it usually?
Yeah, we normally would. Yeah, you're very welcome to Cork. We're very friendly people here in Cork. That's the way we
You
go.
you are really friendly.
Hi guys, it's Izzy Show Busy, and we are live at the Marquee with Vodafone Centre Stage for the VAMS. Oh yeah, the evening comes. We are live at the Marquee here in Cork for the VAMS tonight, all with thanks to Vodafone Centre Stage, and they're just about to take to the stage, so we better get in there. Wake up in the morning. Cold shock can set in seconds, and hypothermia can set in minutes, cooling the arms and legs and making it almost impossible to swim. Drowning is a silent killer. It can happen in inches of water and just feet from another person. Swim at lifeguarded waters, all of which are listed at iws.ie.